It's the dead of summer. The blower motor fan is out on this. We have no AC. Let's get it in the shop and fix it. This 2006 Toyota RAV4 2.4 liter base model has an intermittent HVAC blower motor. Compressor's back on, the AC compressor's back on, but there's nothing coming out of here, okay? There's no flow of air. Unfortunately, we can't do a relay test because on these models, Toyota integrated the blower motor relay into the integrated circuit board underneath the driver's side dash. So you got to replace that whole board if you want to do a quick relay swap like you can on many other models. You can test the relay by swapping it with an identical one in your fuse box. See if that's the problem, the relay. And then you can replace the relay switch if that happens to be the issue. Hopefully that's not what the problem is. I think it's going to be the bushings in the fan motor itself. We're going to go in there, we're going to turn this on, we're going to tap it, see if it actually works or not. And if it starts working after a tap, because it was working sometimes when you hit a bump. So this is kind of a smoking gun. It's likely going to be the fan motor, the bushings in the fan motor, and a quick fan swap. It's not that expensive. I do already have a new fan on order. I assumed it's going to be the fan, but let's go in and properly diagnose this issue and move on from there. So on these, the fan motor is directly under the dash and the glove box on the passenger side. First got to remove the access panel. And it just has two clips, 1, 2, snaps in there. This goes into a hole in the back. And the fan is going to be right here. The blower motor fan is going to come down out of here like this. So let's see if we can tap this and see if it comes on. And nothing's happening there. Those bushings in that fan might be completely out by now. Sometimes that'll get it to work, tapping that. Let's go ahead and drop this out. There's 3 T25, Torx 25 screws holding this on. So let's remove those. 1, 2, 3, and your fan will start coming out. We've got the wire harness. Push the clip. Pull it out, double check, make sure it's not been cooked, you know, any browning or anything on there, anything obvious. And then it has a little clip that's holding on the wire harness. So there's the fan. Here's the old fan, the new fan. They look identical, same mounting brackets. Let's go ahead and replace the fan now. Let's first put it back in there, then we'll hook up the wire harness and the little wire clip. Now make sure you put the air exchange connector where it belongs, right up in here. You'll see the connection it goes in. The 3 Torx 25s. 1, 2, 3, the wire harness, click, and the wire clip. It just clips onto a little flat piece of plastic back here. You'll see it when you change your fan out. Put the cover back on, slides into a groove back here, and just clips. This one is just a simple clip in. Let's test the new fan. Key on. Off. AC on. Oh yeah, we've got, oops. And you can hear it. It's blowing cool. Outstanding. Fixed. Simple DIY project, guys. Get it done.